Well, everyone, Dave Cook, the Franco Painting and Wallpaper, and we are here and we are spraying some walls. So we are looking at trying to paint a semi-gloss on a wall. We tried a couple different variations of doing this, and we're back to spraying. So originally everything was going to get brushed and rolled, but the walls are too big and the paint is drying too fast. So to combat that, we switched to spraying everything. So we're spraying Scuff-X semi-gloss on a wall, and we're using a Graco 390 PC sprayer. And then we batch everything in a 5-gallon bucket. After we batch everything in a 5-gallon bucket, we added Benjamin Moore's extender. So it's 8 ounces per gallon. So we used 1 container for the 5-gallon bucket. There's actually 4 gallons, but that's what we use. Mix it together, and then we did our test wall. Looks really good compared to yesterday where it was just drying too fast. And you can't quite control the heat in this room compared to another room. So it's really hot in this room that we're painting, which is making it even worse to dry. So as you can see, we're using a fine finish low pressure tip. And we have a 412 tip on here. We have it set on the gun to where the P is. There's a little knob. So you have it set like midway through for the pressure point. And so far we're getting the pressure exactly we need, and we're getting what it should look like as far as finishing everything on there also. So our big challenge later today is this big wall. So we got to do one big wall, test it. It was previously brush and rolled. So with the brush and roll, as you can see, we've got a lot of issues. This is where we sprayed this morning. So that's the finish we have now after power sanding. Festool 320, and then this is the brush and roll. You can see roller marks, and then there's a couple places where we sanded off already. From the time we started to the time we hit our second full strip with an 18-inch roller, it had already set up to the point it was tracking and pulling the paint off the wall. So that's where we're just really kind of struggling, trying to make sure it works. So this is the issues that we are having as of right now, so it kind of helps you too. Obviously we got to get rid of all these little roller marks that were on here from when the primer got put on. So all these little things have to go away. So we'll be spraying sanding this wall down. Once this wall is sanded down, since we got the Festool, we don't have to worry about vacuuming, which is really nice. But we'll still do just a quick dusting of everything. And then we'll set up scaffolding right about there. And once the scaffolding's set up, we'll just stand on the scaffolding and spray top to bottom. We'll just use walls to test it out. We tested this door. I mean, it's a wood door, but still, it's an 8-foot piece. And with the new tip and everything, it actually worked really, really well. It gave us the sheen that we were looking for. There's no tiger striping, no shading back and forth. It turned out actually almost perfect. So that's kind of what we're looking for the walls. So that's what we are looking at. If you have questions, Scuff-X sprayers, why we did what we did, definitely let us know. If you're looking for something for your business or home, man, I'd love to see how we can help set you up. Week before Christmas, you guys have a Merry Christmas, and we will talk to you soon, and we'll do some final videos when this room is all said and done with the final sheen so you can see what it looks like. All right, you guys have a great day. God bless.